Yes, I'm aware. Your question seems to be coming from your reactive and deluded mind, both. Reactive mind, that's what you are challenging, that you can build happiness. You're now 50, 50, 60 years old. So, what you have been doing, why didn't you build that peace and happiness over the last 50 years? And you come here to learn what is Eastern wisdom. So, Eastern wisdom asks you if happiness can be built, then why is it so fragile? The shift from chasing happiness outside to uncovering the happiness that is already within, that is the greatest message of the Eastern wisdom. But then another challenge comes that uncovering the happiness. So, what is covering? Our crazy mind, our deluded mind. How it is covering by the fear, anxiety, duality, and a conflict. So when you learn this Eastern wisdom, not only it helps you to transcend anxiety, fear, duality, and a conflict, and you uncover peace and happiness. Yes, second point that you mentioned that there is a witness consciousness, and I have been watching. You are doing it intellectually. And that intellect, that knowledge and understanding must descend down into the heart where it is uncovered. So that is the secret revealed by the Eastern wisdom coaching. You sit, feel restless, and think meditation isn't working. In that moment, instead of quitting, you observe. Restlessness is being seen. The seeing is already quieter, deeper space. You recognize you are not the seeing of restlessness. You are the one who sees it. You are the seer, and you enter into the state of mindfulness. You need not to build it. That peace is not fragile, it is permanent. I already answered your question also in two different ways.